Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 Harley Davidson CVO Tri-Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2021 Harley Davidson CVO Tri-Glide with 7,956 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and reverse. It's been upgraded with 8-inch handlebars, and we have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 117 cubic inch feet twin engine, the Tri-Glide puts 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Tri-Glide has a 180 to 220 mile range. It has a 25.9-inch seat height and a 1,269-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured the Trike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and both rear tires are at 7/30 seconds. We took this Trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the frame, paint chips on the guard bars, and a blemish near the exhaust on the trunk. This Trike has an owner's manual and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This Trike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and/or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.